Happy Friday, everyone. Well, it's going to be another cool, dry day in the region today. The question is it going to remain this way for Saturday and Sunday? We'll get to that in just a second in your weekend forecast, sponsored by NIPSCO. But let's start with talking about high temperatures this afternoon because very similar to yesterday, highs in the mid 60s, about 10 degrees below normal for this time of year. But the difference is there is not going to be much wind today. Yesterday was such a windy day. Those gusts 30, 35 miles per hour, but today winds are only going to be around 10 miles per hour, so it's going to probably feel warmer than yesterday, even though the temperatures are going to be the same. And a big reason why our temperatures are being held down, lots of clouds around today, but it'll look like rain, but no rain is going to be falling from those clouds. I think a few peaks of sun, but the clouds definitely winning out overall, and it may just be completely overcast skies in the most southern part of the region, really, especially in central Illinois. It looks like it's going to be really cloudy down there. I think we'll get at least some peaks of sun across northwest Indiana this afternoon. Good news for the evening hours as well tonight. Looking like the rain staying away, and we're just going to continue to see mostly cloudy skies. Notice this is 8 o'clock this evening, and temperatures at this point are starting to cool down, so a lot of us getting into the upper 50s or maybe even the mid 50s in Newton and Jasper County. How about 11 o'clock? For now, still looking dry. Right now, it looks like the rain chance isn't going to be until really late tonight, 1 a.m., 2 a.m., when the first few showers will start to work into the area. Now, the reason for this rain chance is actually a warm front that's going to be lifting over us. And it looks like it's going to be working over us very late tonight, early tomorrow morning. So the rain chance, again, beginning around 1, 2 a.m. tonight, and then probably peaking in the neighborhood of 4, 5 a.m. But look what happens when we get to 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. The warm front clear of us, and so there's a very good chance by 9 a.m. tomorrow morning, it's back to dry conditions. Now, that said, the rain chance is still going to be there for Saturday afternoon, though the morning hours look dry. There's actually going to be a little wave of low pressure that's going to work over us for the afternoon on Saturday. It looks like the atmosphere is going to be pretty stable, so I don't think it's going to be able to do much, but I got to mention the chance for a few showers during the afternoon and then on into the evening hours on Saturday. So chance coming back for rain about 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And thanks to the warm front, tomorrow is going to be a warmer day. High temperatures probably in the low 70s for most. We might see a couple spots hit that 74-degree mark, get into the mid 70s, but then on low 70s for the most part for tomorrow afternoon. Now, there is going to be more wind again tomorrow. Those gusts are going to pick up again to about 25 miles per hour in the afternoon. So this is 5 o'clock, still a chance for a couple showers, but not much. Certainly not looking like a wet day. But that said, I've also got to keep the rain chance going into the evening hours, especially the early evening hours tomorrow. So just be aware there is a chance of rain, but it's pretty small. There's a good chance you'll be able to get the activities in dry. And then I think, once again, the rain chance going away by 11 o'clock Saturday night. But guess what? There's still one more opportunity at rain on Sunday, this time with a cold front. It's going to start pushing in during the morning hours. Now, there is some mixed signals in the modeling. I'm showing you one model here that's handling things pretty good right now, so I've got to show it. But there are some other models indicating that Sunday could be a little bit on the wetter side. So I know this model says dry at 9 a.m. Sunday, but I'm going to mention, since there are other models indicating that there will be rain around, what that probably means when you got models that are completely dry and models with a lot of rain, it's probably going to be something in between. So we're going to mention once again the chance for a few showers Sunday morning. And really looks like a situation where it could last through the day on Sunday. So I think lunchtime, yeah, a couple showers are going to be a possibility. Probably even into the early to mid-afternoon hours. See how this model finally is starting to show a little bit of a green dot? So I don't think there's going to be a lot of rain, but once again, the chance for a few showers is going to be around. I do think by the late afternoon, by the time we get to 6 o'clock on Sunday, the rain chance will, whatever little rain will be around, will be coming to an end. And notice that we're going to cool down a little bit. Not the strongest of fronts, but probably a little bit cooler than what we're going to see on Saturday. I think there could be some spots that only top out in the upper 60s and definitely no warmer than the low 70s. I don't think the mid 70s will be a possibility for Sunday afternoon. The other thing we've got to mention, though, for Sunday is it's going to be getting windy again in the afternoon. I think those gusts are going to go back to 35 miles per hour.